Future Celtics! We are your 2021 to 2022 Student Council. Cardinal Carter is currently our home, and we are more than happy to welcome you all to the start of the next chapter of your education journey.
Here at Cardinal Carter, every student is welcomed, valued, and presented with excellent opportunities. There are so many friendships to be made and fun events to participate in throughout the school year.
As a Cardinal Carter student, I can assure that you will feel safe, loved, and welcomed.
From hockey, soccer, basketball, swimming, tennis, track and field, the list is endless.
Carter has a variety of different sports. You name it, we play it.
Carter has a number of outstanding clubs and councils that encourage and empower individuals to reach their full potential.
Joining these clubs will allow you to step out of your comfort zone to represent our students.
Furthermore, they provide you with an opportunity to put yourself out there and develop your communication and organization skills you'll use throughout your life.
With over 1,000 students at Carter, it's inevitable that you will be a part of a loving and accepting community and build everlasting friendships and bonds with your peers and staff members.
Here at Carter, we have many competitions, from academics to technologies to sports tournaments.
They allow you to meet new friends, build connections, and most importantly, try new things.
The IB program is known for its advanced and rigorous courses, as well as its structure and variety.
There are many benefits to this program, such as personal and academic achievements, the ability to learn independently and collaboratively, and many other skills and traits that will be very beneficial to students throughout their lives.
Enrolling into this program helps students challenge themselves academically and be surrounded by like-minded people. It encourages them to be as well-rounded as possible.
Students and parents, we hope that through this video you have developed a thorough understanding of what the Cardinal Carter community has to offer. We are beyond excited to welcome the class of 2026. They are the future of our school community, and we can't wait to see them thrive and find their place in our Cardinal Carter family as they develop into strong leaders academically, socially, and emotionally. Cardinal Carter is our home, and we believe that within our positive, uplifting environment, everyone can make a difference.